What's up, guys? So I've got Ubuntu installed, the new version 20. Um, I got Oracle VM VirtualBox latest version installed, and I got Ubuntu installed as a guest. My Ubuntu settings: I've got video memory capped out at 128. I've got scale factor just set to 100%. I got 3D acceleration turned on with VM SVGA as the graphics controller. All right. And within Ubuntu, like if I'm using the web browser, it's nice and snappy here. But if I go down here into this Unity show applications, watch how slow it is to render this thing. It is molasses. I mean, I had better performance on the machines I had from like a decade ago. I don't know what's going on with this. Obviously, this is high resolution. I got a 1440 resolution, 2K. If anybody can help me out here, I have run all of the VirtualBox guest editions. First, I did it with devices insert guest edition CD image. Then I went into terminal and I grabbed all the packages I could get and installed everything I could find that was VirtualBox related. And then I went back into here and reran this. And of course, between all of these, I have rebooted at least a couple times. So obviously, the fact that it recognizes this resolution shows that it's got something going on with regard to the drivers. However, if I go into here and I eventually choose the additional drivers, I notice that it shows me something curious. Eventually, it says this device is not working. VMware SVGA2 adapter. And these are grayed out. And I don't know what they would be good for anyway. So I don't know what to do with these. And you got this other stuff here. So I don't know. Any ideas? Thanks, guys.